You got me begging and begging, begging and begging. I can't stop thinking about the way it was. You got me thinking about the way it was. You got me begging and begging, begging and begging.
DJI Innovation has launched a new outdoor power supply. This outdoor power supply has a built-in lithium iron phosphate battery inverter with 1 degree capacity. Rated output power is 1 kilowatt. The output power of the Ultra Leather is 1,200 watts. Outdoor power supply supports power test charging. It only takes 58 minutes to charge from 0 to 80%. Support 400 watt driving fast charging. Support for solar panel charging and USB-C charge. The included power cord is the national standard 3X. It's 1.5 meters long. Specifications are 10 amps, 250 volts. Power supply. The appearance is simple and fashionable. There is an LCD screen at the top left of the front of the fuselage. The LCD screen can display the remaining battery percentage. Power strip. Power strip. Input and output power and Wi-Fi connection status. There is a power switch button above the two new national standard non-porous output interfaces. The marked output power is 1 kilowatt. The bypass output power is 2,200 watts. USB-C. The telescopic wire is fixed by magnetic attraction. For modular design. Diameter, support disassembly and replacement. 2. USB. The interface supports 12 watts of output power. USB-C. Interface supports 100 watts of output power. SDC interface and AC input. Sockets are arranged up and down with a protective cover. Dust and moisture proof. The lighting is turned on to meet nighttime activities and emergency lighting needs. There is a heat dissipation hole on the side of the fuselage. There is a cooling fan at the tail. And paste the product name brand sticker. The cooling fan is equipped with a dust net. Prevent foreign objects from entering the interior of the outdoor power supply. There is an integrated handle behind the fuselage. It is also equipped with a power switch. There are non-slip foot pads at the bottom of the fuselage. The measured fuselage length is approximately 310 millimeters. The bottom length is about 285 millimeters. It's 214 millimeters wide. The fuselage weighs approximately 11.35 kilograms, measured to USB-C. The interface supports QC 3.0, PD 3.0, PPS, DCP, Apple 2.4 AMP charging protocol, with 5 sets of fixed voltage gears and a set of 5 to 21 volts and 3.25 amps. PPS, voltage gear. USB-A. The interface does not support the fast charging protocol. Continue remove the telescopic cable module cover. The back of the cover plate is provided with magnet adsorption. Both sides of the telescopic cable module are fixed by buckles. There is USB-C socket telescopic cable module on both sides. USB-C interface. Unscrew the fixing screw at the bottom of the fuselage. Disassemble the outdoor power supply housing. There is reinforced gold inside the body. The outdoor power supply is equipped with a two-way inverter module, fixed by screws. There is a cooling fan on one side of the fuselage. The bottom of the bidirectional inverter module is a battery pack. It has a plastic cover, fixed by screws. The battery terminal is fixedly connected to the bidirectional inverter module through screws. The cooling fan comes from the Holy Emblem shares. The specification is 12 volts, 0.3 amps, made in China. Unscrew the fixing screw. Remove the bidirectional inverter module. Both the AC input line and the AC output line are equipped with magnetic rings to suppress high-frequency interference. The battery pack is pasted with mylar sheet and mica sheet insulation. There are 3 thermistors inside the insulating frame, corresponding to the 3 strings of batteries to detect the temperature rise, and provided with a corresponding ground pressure detection line. The battery pack is strapped with steel belts. There are iron plates on both sides for protection. The steel strip is fixed by lamination welding. The battery is a large square cell in iron phosphate. Jacket blue hot crisp film. The bottom of the battery is fixed with glue, printed with the words Re2. The measured battery height is about 115 millimeters. The battery width is about 160 millimeters. The battery thickness is approximately 50 millimeters. The wires of the two-way inverter module are connected by plug keys. The back fixing metal plate is used for installation and fixing. The low voltage side, small plate, is provided with a green pressure switch tube, filter, solid-state capacitors, and drivers. The filter capacitor specification is 470, illegal, 16 volts. The raw pressure switch tube is from the new Energisavin model, INESEP 400 Tonela da 15, Agu Demos. Pressure resistance, 40 volts. Guide group 1.2 millimeters. There are 12 grams in total. 2. The drive is from Shangbang model STM4811. It's a 120-volt half-bridge driver, internal high side and low side. The channels are completely independent. 4 film capacitors are arranged on the side of the voltage closure device. The capacitance specification is 630 volts, which means law. High voltage filter capacitor from IHUALM series long life electrolytic capacitor, specification is 550 volts. 220 illegal isolation of driver chips. Bing Semiconductor is an isolation driver with a 5 kV RMS isolation capability, a peak output current of 4 amperes, and an isolation voltage of 1500 volts between the two drivers built into the chip. The two high-voltage switching transistors are from New Jineng, made of silicon carbide MOS, with a voltage rating of 750 volts and an on resistance of 42 milliohms. The switch tube comes from Xinjiang NMOS with a voltage resistance of 650 volts and an on resistance of 50 milliohms. The switching relay comes from Ford with a built-in normally open contact set and a coil voltage of 12 volts. The inductor used for SDC interface power supply is wound with copper tape with filter capacitors and heat sinks for the switch tube on both sides. The filtering solid-state capacitor is from Fengbin and the cement resistor is rated at 10 watts and 75 ohms. Inside the panel, there is a display panel, AC input and inverter output sockets connected through PCB soldering with an LED lighting small board at the bottom. The AC input small board is soldered with safety X2 capacitors, yellow Y capacitors and current sampling resistors. The lighting board is solid with a switch button and LED lighting. One side of the body panel is equipped with USB-C and USB-A ports, while the back has connection sockets, heat sinks, and filtering solid capacitors. Thermal gel is placed below the heatsink for the heat dissipation of the synchronous buck boost switch and inductor. The main control MCU is from GigaDevice with a built-in Cortex M4 core and comprehensive communication interfaces. The memory is from Winbond with a capacity of 256 megabytes and built-in SLC flash memory. The synchronous buck boost controller for USB-C interface voltage conversion is from Southchip Technology, model SC8AE. MyViQ 8 synchronous buck boost switching transistors are from VChip Semiconductor, model VS362AN MOS, with a voltage rating of 30 volts and an on resistance of 7.9 milliohms, used for synchronous buck boost conversion. The protocol chip uses the Southchip Technology SC2021A, which is a highly integrated Type-C PD and DPDM fast charging controller, featuring good protocol compatibility and a wide range of control interfaces. The V-Bus switch tube is from New Jineng, model NC1P3065QUN MOS, used for self-contained line output control. Additionally, two other switch tubes of the same model are used for USB-C output control. The synchronous buck chip is from Silergy, which is a synchronous buck converter with an integrated switch tube. 3 V-Bus switch tubes, model SYNQ40P03, use DFN3333 packaging. The current detection chip is from Silergy, model TP181A1, which is a zero-drift bidirectional current detection amplifier. The synchronous buck chip comes from UTI Semiconductor and is a synchronous buck converter with an input voltage of 4 to 18 volts, using adaptive CODI control and featuring ultra-fast load response. The overcurrent protection chip is also from UTI Semiconductor and is a load switch with programmable current protection. The screen backlight driver chip is from Shengbang and is a boost LED driver that supports PWM dimming. The voltage regulator chip is from Shengbang with adjustable output voltage, current limiting, and overheat protection, featuring automatic output discharge. The CAN bus transceiver is from Sirip, model PPT1334, compatible with the ISO 11898 high-speed CAN physical layer standard, with protection functions such as crosswire overvoltage. Two filter capacitors are from Fengbin, rated at 100 microfarads and 35 volts. Finally, here is the list of core components for the DJI Power 1000 Mini Outdoor Power Supply from DJI Innovations for your reference. The outdoor power supply uses a gray casing with a display screen and multiple functional ports on the front of the body. The power supply adopts a modular design consisting of a display panel, bidirectional inverter module, and battery pack. The battery pack uses square lithium iron phosphate cells, with each cell equipped with a thermistor to detect temperature. The bidirectional inverter module is encapsulated with hard glue for dust and moisture protection.